Hi, it's Denise with Ladybug Stampin', and today we're going to be talking about my August 2018 monthly kit. What is a monthly kit? Well, a monthly kit from me, Ladybug Stampin', is basically a share of products that we offer in the Stampin' Up! Catalog. And each month it is based off of a stamp set that may or may not have a coordinating framelit or punch that goes with it. It doesn't normally contain any ink. Unless, maybe some months there might be like some little ink cubes or maybe a marker or something like that. But basically it's just our cardstock, our designer series paper, some of our ribbons and trims, our boxes, our accessories and things like that that will coordinate with the stamp set. We'll also receive like a 4-page PDF that will have 4 different designs on there that I have designed using the items from the kit based off the stamp set that I choose to use. Okay, so how much is the kit? The kit is $25 each month. You will need to reserve by the end of the month, and then I give you till the first 3 days of the next month to pay for the kit. Order with Stampin' Up! Once the kit is arrived, I separate everything out, package it all up, and then get it sent out to you. All right, so those are the details, and all that information will be listed on the blog post down below. There's a link down below that will have all that information for you. So what are we going to do for this month? Well, I put out a little poll with my customers to kind of see what they wanted, and they wanted to use this new Country Home stamp set that is in the 2018 Stampin' Up! Holiday Catalog. Y'all, I love this stamp set. There's a couple reasons why I like this stamp set, but one is because I have farmhouse country decor in my home. I mean, I'm from Arkansas. It's not really expected, but so I really like this. The other reason why I like this suite is the top, and this is part of a country lane suite, and a suite it means it has coordinating items that go with it. And this one has this lovely tin tile textured dynamic impressions embossing folder. I think that's what it's called. Again, but it'll be listed on my the blog post. I love this. Love this. Love this. I've been wanting this to come back. I feel like we had this maybe one time before, and or if we didn't, I'm so glad they have it either way. And I love it so much that I had to emboss a sheet of the tin tile on some of our new metallic, what is this, galvanized metallic paper. And so in the kit, this is what I used, and this is how it turned out. Is this not gorgeous, guys? I mean, oh my gosh, I love it. So I wanted to show you that. So what's in the kit that's based off the stamp set? Well, let's get started. The first thing, of course, I'm going to send you this right here. Each of you guys will get a 6x6 piece of galvanized metallic paper that I've already embossed with the tin tile embossing folder. I kind of wanted to show you what it looked like so you guys would have a reference if you did want to order that. So that will come in the kit, including another piece of the galvanized metallic paper, a 6x6 inch piece. So you're going to get one embossed with the tin tile and one that's not, that you can use for something else. Another thing, also what you're going to get, and you get this every month, is you get cardstock. Now this month you're going to be getting, I think it's 8 pieces again. I'm giving you Whisper White, Early Espresso, Blackberry Bliss, Mint Macaron, Crumb Cake, Cajun Craze, Old Olive, and Crushed Curry. Aren't those some lovely colors? Fall colors. These are like just fall colors to me. These colors I chose were based on the Country Lane Designer Series paper that is a part of the Country Lane suite. So let me go ahead and show you these real quick. I think it's this side. You have this one here. And then you have this one here. It looks like the tin tile in the Blackberry Bliss. Some pumpkins and greenery. Some little crushed curry, I think that is. And then some more cotton. This looks like, what do they call it? Thatching. But to me, it reminds me of the stuff that's in your window. You know, it keeps the bugs out. That's what that reminds me of. I don't know why, but it does. Here's some more. I love those, like that arrangement. This looks like wheat to me, in a way. And then, of course, you have some wood grain. this lovely background. Another arrangement, but this time it's in the milk can. And then some polka dots, which I love polka dots. So you're getting that. So these, again, this will be in 6x6 pieces, the Designer Series paper. The cardstock, the colored cardstock, will be in 8.5 by 11. You will not get a sliver. You will not get 4 by 5 inches. You will get a full sheet of 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Now, in some of the projects that I made this month, you'll use a little bit. You may not use the whole sheet. And so you'll have enough to make something that you would like. Okay, so the other things that you will get in this month's kit is you're going to get 2 of our silver gable boxes. I have a really cute project with this that I liked. That I just thought it was really cute. I made it for like a place setting for Thanksgiving. So I really like that idea. You can put some little treats in there or something. You're also going to get a piece of our chicken wire. This is part of the suite as well. So you got some little chicken. I'm going to show you guys a card here in a minute how I use this. So you have silver on one side, and then you have a whisper white or a white background on the back side. And you can actually color this with like your brayer, color it red, black, purple, yeah, whatever you choose. And then I'm also going to send you one of our pillow boxes. I thought this would just, some of the colors in this kit, I just thought it would go really well with some of the colors in here. And so that's why I chose to put that in there and make a nice little treat box for something for a co-worker or just anybody, yourself. And then this month, again, I'm going to be sending some more trim ribbons. I love ribbon on project, and it's a way for me to share a sample of some of our lovely trims. So in this one, you're going to get burlap, of course, linen thread, some of our crumb cake cotton weave, and then some of our new linen trim. Is it linen thread, braided linen trim. Wow, Denise. So it looks like this. That's pretty. But let me show you what it does at the end. You actually can pull it apart. Whoops, if I can lift it up. Pull it apart like this because it's braided. And at the end, you can have like a little piece of, you know, like little flex or what would you call this? I don't know. Looks like a fantail to me. So you're going to get that. Now, and each one of these is a yard. So you'll get a full yard of these 4 trims. I like these trims because this one right here reminds me of fall, Thanksgiving, burlap, you know. The cotton trim just reminds me of burlap, fall. And on this, I sent you a piece of pumpkin pie that's cut out by 4 by 5 1/4, and I actually embossed it with one of our new texture dynamic embossing folders, and it's called Subtle. And I really like this, so I wanted to send you a little something with pumpkin pie because it's, you know, fall. And look, I even put pumpkins on here. I don't know, remind me of fall. And then this is some fun trim that I like. Gingham, of course, country to me. Navy blue, again, country. And then this one has some of our copper trim and some of the new whisper white, is this polka dot ribbon? Really pretty. Again, each one of these are a yard, okay? Each one of these has a yard. So you're getting 8 ribbons, so 8 yards of ribbon. I'm also going to send you a little package with some goodies in it. And this one has some of our, I'm not sure what these are called, but there's some of our jewels. There's some colors that we have. We have, I think this is Basic Black, Blackberry Bliss, Grapefruit Grove, and Mint Macaron. So I want to send you some of those. And I'm also going to send you some of our new Galvanized Clips. 3 of these each. 3 of these, not 3 each, but 3 of these. These can go on your cardstock, on your DSP. You can put it this way, or you can have it this way and put ribbon through it from one end to the other, or just like that with a little piece of ribbon. Okay. You're also going to get some die cuts. And I've only got a few here this month because I'm going to keep some of this as a surprise. But I wanted to kind of show you some of the things. So you're going to get these 3 ovals. And this one is you cut cut out using our stitched oval, like that. And this is in Cajun Craze. You got some Early Espresso, Whisper White there. Put these back in this package so I don't lose them. And then we've got a new Leafy Punch that I wanted to cut out. I don't know, just I thought it would go good with the stamp set. So you're gonna get 3 pieces of those. And I've got our Tailor Tag Punch for like a sentiment. And I'm sending you one in Night of Navy. I kind of thought it would just go with one of these, again, coordinate with these colors a little bit. Maybe not the DSP, but you don't always have to use the DSP in cards, right? And then daisies. I mean, you got to have daisies in the fall, don't you? I mean, I have daisies in the fall. And I even have this color, which is cherry cobbler. One of my favorite colors in the Stampin' Up! Catalog. So I'm sending you those to make a daisy. And then you're also going to be getting a sheet of dimensionals and 5 envelopes for your cards that you make. Now also what you're going to get with this is you're going to be getting did I say this in the beginning? A 4-page layout or 4-page PDF with 4 projects. I try to include cards, 3D projects, different things like that. Maybe one, and sometimes a scrapbook page. Now I'm going to show you one of the cards that I made using the items out of this stack. Now, I'm not going to make the card today. I'm just going to show it to you, but I will have a tutorial later this week on this card. So I kind of wanted to show you what you could make. So here you go. Now, I absolutely adore this card. I don't know why. I just do. Stampin' Up! Makes it easy for me to make cards. So I've got some cotton in here. Yeah, I don't know what someone told me what these were called, but I forget. I don't know. I've got some myself in my home. And then this melt can. And then you got your chicken wire back here with your wood. That just reminded me of a chicken coop. So, all right, isn't that pretty? Okay. So again, this will be a tutorial later in the week. So be on watch for that. So again, this kit is $25. So you have to, and you can reserve. There'll be a link down below where you can reserve this kit. And then again, I'll invoice you at the end of the month, and then you have 3 days to pay for your kit. And then if you would like to use the stamp set, you can go to my online store. You can order that now if you'd like to, or order it later, and it is called Country Home. Isn't that pretty? Okay, guys. Well, if you have any questions or anything, just leave me a comment below. I'll be having a post that coordinates with, that goes along with this, so there'll be more information on there for you guys. I'll have pictures of some of this right here you can see, and answer any questions you have. All right, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Toodles.